I am presenting here the topic aminoglycoside, which is useful for B Pharm 5th semester in pharmacology subject BP 602. What is aminoglycoside? All aminoglycosides are produced by soil actinomyces, obtained from two species of Streptomyces and Micromonospora. Semi-synthesis derivative also end up with suffix mission. Bactericidal antibiotic, rapidly bactericidal, bacterial killing, concentration dependent, highly the concentration greater the rate at which bacteria are killed, penetrate through the bacterial cell wall, through parent channels to enter the periplasmic space. So beta-lactam antibiotic which inhibit bacterial cells wall synthesis facilitated passive diffusion of aminoglycoside if given together. Beta-lactam antibiotic plus aminoglycosides transported across the cytoplasmic membrane, transported as blocked by aerobic condition. Aerobic not sensitive. They also exert a long and concentration dependent post antibiotic effect, that is residual bactericidal activity. Parasynthetic. After the sebum concentration has fallen below the minimum inhibitory concentration, during of this effect is concentration dependent. Post antibiotic effect account for efficacy of once daily dosing regimen of aminoglycoside, short half life 2 to 4 hours and 2 to 3 divided doses. Single daily dose as effective are multiple dosing, no more toxic and even less dose. Less toxic and less renal accumulation, less toxic. Given as a single daily dose result in higher peak tissue concentration than if the total daily dose were divided and administered at 8 or 12 hours interval. Classification of aminoglycoside: streptomycin, gentamicin, tobramycin, amikacin. Spectrum of aminoglycoside: narrow spectrum, aerobic, gram negative, vessel. Not effective against gram positive cocci and gram negative cocci. Mechanism of action: penetrate through the bacterial cell wall through parent channel, enter the periplasmic space, transported across the cytoplasmic membrane. Once inside the cell, these drugs bind to 30S ribosomal unit and prevent the formation of initiation complex, a prerequisite site for peptide synthesis. Accumulation of abnormal initiation complexes. RNA, messenger RNA template, incorporation of incurrent amino acids into the growing peptidase, aberrant protein. Bactericidal of aminoglycosides. Secondary changes in the bacterial cell membrane resultant aberrant protein may be inserted into the cell membrane. Description of cytoplasmic membrane. Altered permeability. Sensitive bacteria becomes more permeable. Ions, amino acids and even proteins leak out, followed by bacterial cell that altered cell membrane. carrier mediated entry of the antibiotic. Pharmacokinetic, highly polar drug, very poor oral bioavailability, hence given IV or IM. Rapid absorption from IM sites. Intramuscular sites, poorly distributed and poorly protein binding, fail to reach intraocular fluids. Highly polar drugs, gentamicin cross blood-brain barrier in meningeal inflammation, can be used in several extent through kidney unchanged. All are more active at alkaline pH than acidic. Antibacterial resistance. 3 principal mechanism for the development of resistance: synthesis of plasmid mediated bacterial transferase enzyme that can interact with aminoglycoside, mutation of parent channels resulting in decreased transport of aminoglycoside into the bacterial cytosol by deletion of alteration of the receptor protein on 30S target ribosomal unit because of mutation. Attachment of drug with 30S ribosomal unit is thus prevented. Toxicity, ototoxicity, nephrotoxicity, neuromuscular block. Ototoxicity, accumulation in the endolimb and perilimb of inner ear, vestibular, sensory cells and hair undergo concentration dependent distraction changes, leading to vestibular and damage which is irreversible. Doses and duration of treatment relative adverse effect. Drug concentration in labyrinthine fluids slowly removed as plasma level falls. Ototoxicity greater when plasma levels are persistently high. Old patient more susceptible. Vestibular toxicity is more with streptomycin and gentamicin. Cochlear toxicity is more with neomycin and amikacin. Nephrotoxicity attain higher concentration in the renal cortex. Manifest are tubular damage resulting in loss of urinary concentrating power, low glomerular filtration rate, nitrogen retention, totally reversible provided drug is promptly discontinued. An important implication of aminoglycoside induced nephrotoxicity is reduced clearance of antibiotic, higher blood levels, enhanced ototoxicity. Neomycin, gentamicin, amikacin and tobramycin are more nephrotoxic than streptomycin. 10 to 15% of all renal failure cases. Neuromuscular blocked, inhibit prejunctional release of acetylcholine from cholinergic neurons, reduced postsynaptic sensitivity to the transmitter. Intrapleural and intraperitoneal instillation of large doses. Reaction can follow after intravenous and intramuscular and oral dose. Association with anesthesia, co-administration of other NM blocking agent. Precaution and interaction. Pregnancy risk of fetal ototoxicity. Patients past middle ages. Compromised renal functional. Patient with kidney damage. Avoid concurrent use of ototoxic drug, minocycline and high cleaning diuretics. Nephrotoxic drugs, amphotericin B, vancomycin, cyclosporin and cisplatin. Muscle reactions. Do not mix it with any drugs in the some syringe infusion bottle. Thank you.